süt кайра иштетүү организациясында 3 жылдан бери иштейм. Биздин кыйынчылыктар бул ишканада биздин сүт менен толугу менен камсыз болбогондук. Ал бизде кышында суук малда пайда болот. Эмнеге дегенде толугу менен сүт камсыз болбойт да, сүт азайган сайын баасы да жогорулайт. Биз өзүбүздүн поставщиктерди, мисалы магазиндерди, супермаркеттерди толугу менен камсыздай албай калабыз. Ошондуктан бизде карыздарыбыз пайда болот.
Steady, reliable, consistent source of milk, especially in the winter, is what's going to allow these processors to keep running year-round. USAID and Oasis Agro are going to be teaming up, and it's going to be hopefully quite a symbiotic partnership. Oasis Agro is bringing the technological know-how that's really needed to help farmers get better production, that'll ultimately lead them to be more profitable.
Эгерде бизде стабилдүү кышында сүт менен камсыз кылып турган болсо, бизде сүт болуп турса, биз өзүбүздүн поставщиктерди жоготпойбуз, аларга кышычы менен сүт менен камсыздап турабыз. Ошондой эле биз өзүбүздүн поставщиктер менен өтө узак мөөнөткө контракт түзөт болчубуз.
The project really aims to address needs at every stage of the value chain. So we'll be working with everything from the upstream crop and fodder farmers all the way down to the milk processors and everything in between.
Мен 3-4 жылдан бeri мал чарбачылыгына алектенип келип жатамын. Жайындасы бир малдан 5-10 литрден сүт алабыз. Кышында 4 литр, 3 литрге азайып кетип болуп калат. Алдын бул биз мал как бизде акчаны карматуу үчүн кармасак, азыр бизде бул Греше булагы болуп калды. Дагы өндүрүмдүүлүгүн көбөйтсөк, ошол азыр жаңы проекттер болуп атат экен. USAID, Оазис, Агро иштеп чыгаттыр, ушундай жаңы сүттүн өнүмдүүлүгүн көбөйтө турган. Ошол проект бизге келсе жакшы болот эле.
The Kyrgyz have really been herdsmen for centuries. So there's been quite a reputation that the Kyrgyz have had excellent products coming from their animals. So we want to just continue to build on that and help them continue to get to better quality standards.
Oasis Agro specializes in helping small farmers or families to start their own business in cattle or poultry. Our vision is to improve their lives and to release the productive potential of Kyrgyz Republic. High quality feed is very important in this whole process, and we can already produce through our equipment feed for dairy, but most of the time we are flying blind because we don't really know what the nutritional values is of our incoming ingredients. We don't have a laboratory nearby. The dairy project will help us in getting a laboratory and also better equipment to make our feed better. Higher quality nutrition will lead to higher productivity of cows, therefore higher profitability for farmers at the end.
As a veterinarian, my role in this project will be advising farmers on everything from animal husbandry right the way through to disease control and disease prevention. I'm also going to be coming alongside local farmers and training them up. So we plan to import good quality semen and do artificial insemination so that we're not just improving practices, but we're also improving genetics. But probably one of the biggest challenges this project is going to face is actually getting farmers to change the way they do things. So we're planning to start up 2 learning farms so that the farmers can come along and they can see the artificial insemination, they can see the different rations and diets that we're feeding to the cows, they can see the different housing and how we're using local products but also new techniques together and how we're achieving success through that.
One of our priorities will be to work with, especially select innovative and progressive dairy farmers. So we're very optimistic that in finding that first group of farmers that will be able to get good results that will then lend themselves to working with an even broader group of farmers. Project may be for 2 years, but Oasis Agro definitely has a long-term perspective aimed towards long-term profitability and stability, sustainability of these smallholder farmers. The project really aims to build a foundation of nutrition, genetics, and management training that will build a foundation for this sector to be sustainable for generations to come.